I'm going to show you how to use the UnGroup feature in Cricut Design Space. So let's go to Images, and if we're looking at some of the different images in here, I'm going to pick this one and insert it. And I can tell that this is a grouped image because it has two different colored pieces or elements to this. When I select on them, they resize together and they move around together. And they act as one element, even though there's really two different elements. If I look in my layers panel, I can also see for the abstract flower, it has both a gray and a teal piece. Now, if I click on just the teal piece, I can tell that that piece is selected because the background on the layers panel is darker. So now I could go under Edit and change the color to pink. But what if I wanted to make the entire circle a different size so that covers more or less of the flower? I can't do that because it's all working as one group unless I go to Actions and I can go Ungroup. And did you see how that abstract flower moved into two separate lines? Now, if I click on just the pink, see how the selection box is much tighter and it's just over the pink part instead of over the flower. So now I could go into Edit and I could tell it to, let's make the width of this 2. And now it shifted it also. So now I could select both things and align them to be centered. What else could I do with this? I could click on just that circle there and go Actions and tell it to duplicate it. And then I could make this one even smaller and go under Edit and go Align and center everything. All right, so now if I have this one and okay, so now what I want to do is take that flower and I'm going to use the hide button down here, and now I can just see the circles and I can go Actions and go, Slice. So now I can get rid of these and turn that back on and make a whole new design. So now if I want to make these two elements work as one element again, I would highlight everything and click Group. And now it all is going to resize and work as one element. To get them to be separate again, I would ungroup. So that's how you would use group and ungroup. I hope this helped you to understand another part of Cricut Design Space. Make sure to like my video and subscribe because I have a lot more videos planned for you. Thanks.